Hi, let's solve question number 8 of exercise 7.2 from coordinate geometry. So what is question number 8? If A and B are -2, they are given 2 points A and B. So A is -2 and B is 2, -4 respectively. Find the coordinates of P such that it's given AP equals to 3 by 7 AB. This is given. And P lies on the line segment AB. So P is somewhere on line AB. And this equation is given. So to find the coordinate of P, what we should know? We should know about the ratio. If AP into PB is given, so we can easily apply section formula and we can get coordinate of P. That means कि from this equation we should know about AP into PB. Okay, so AP is already here, but AB is see here it's AB. So instead of AB, or we can simplify AB into PB, so that we can get AP into PB. Okay, so let's simplify this equation. We can write AP by this AB will come this side and it will become in division, correct? So AP by AB equals to 3 by 7, or we can just do it opposite or upside down. So first AB and then AP equals to what? 7 by 3. Okay, now instead of AB can we write AP plus PB? Yes, because this AB is AP plus PB. P is the point on AB. So instead of AB we are writing AP plus PB by AP equals to 7 by 3. Or this AP will go this side also, AP will go this side also. Means can we write AP by AP plus this PB by again AP equals to 7 by 3. Why? Because if A plus B by 2. So can we write A by 2 plus B by 2? Yes, this is also correct. So the same thing I wrote, AP by AP plus PB by AP equals to 7 by 3. Now this AP will cancel and make it 1. So 1 plus PB by AP equals to 7 by 3. Okay, now PB by AP equals to 7 by 3 minus 1 means what? 7 minus 3 by 3. That means 4 by 3. Correct? So the same thing we have to calculate, correct? AP is here, PB is here. That means ki AP into PB equals to, first we are taking AP into PB equals to first 3 into 4. Correct? Now we are able to find AP into PB. So by using section formula we can get the coordinate of P. Correct? Let's say this is x comma y. Okay, so what will be the x value? So x equals to what? M1 into x2. M1 is 3 into x2 is 2 plus 4 into M2 into x1. x1 is -2 by M1 plus M2 means 3 plus 4. Correct? Let's simplify this. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2s are 8 by 4 plus 3 7. That means -2 by 7. Correct? And coordinate of y will be M1 into y2 is -4 plus M2 into x2 y1 is -2 by 3 plus 4 M1 plus M2. So 4 3 is a 12 minus 4 2 is a 8 by 7. So -12 minus 8 is -20 by 7. Okay, so the coordinate of P means x, y equals to what? -2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Okay, so this is the coordinate of P. Okay, now question number 9. What is question number 9? Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining this and this. There are two points, A and B. A is minus 2, 2 and B is 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay, so 4 equal parts means there will be 3 points. So let's say this is PQR. Okay, so 4 equal parts means what? AP equals to PQ equals to QR equals to RB, right? This we already solved 3 equal parts, correct? In question number 2, correct? Here this is 4 equal parts. So see, in 4 equal parts means AP equals to PB, right? That means AP is the midpoint of AQ, so we can take ratio 1:1, correct? Same for here also, R is the midpoint of QB, so we are taking here also 1:1. So whenever that midpoint will come, we are always taking ratio 1:1. That means if we will find AP, this is A, this is P and this is B. Okay, and A is minus 2, 2, B is 2, 8. Okay, and what is the ratio of AP is to PB? This is 1 and this is PB is what? P and B, 1, 2, 3. 1:3, right? So we can easily find the coordinate of P, right? So let's find P equals to M1 into X2, so 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 by 1 plus 3, correct? P, let's say this is X1 comma Y1. Okay, so this is X1 of P, okay, equals to 2 into 3 to the 6 by 4, means minus 4 by 4 equals to minus 1. So this is the X coordinate. Now Y coordinate. So Y1 equals to what? M1 into Y2, 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 by 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 6 by 4 means 14 by 4. That means 7 2 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 7 by 2. So the coordinate of P will be minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Okay, now we will find the coordinate of R first. Okay, this is A, this is B and this is here R. So what is AR is to RB? AR is 3, 1 2 3, correct? So 3 is to 1. B is 2 comma 8, A is minus 2 comma 2. Okay, let's say this is X2 comma Y2. Okay, so X2 equals to what? M1 into X2, 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 by 1 plus 3 means 3 2 is 6 minus 2 by 4 means again 4 by 4 means 1. Okay, now Y2. Y2 equals to M1 into Y2, 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 by 1 plus 3. 8 3 is 24 plus 2 by 4 means 26 by 4 means 13 2 is 26 and 2 2 is 4 means X2 comma Y2 equals to what? 1 comma 13 by 2. Now find the coordinate of Q. This is A minus 2, 2 and this is B, 2, 8 and Q is where? Q is in the middle of AB, correct? Because here also 2 points, here also 2 points, means Q is the midpoint of AB, correct? So midpoint means what? We can take ratio 1:1, and we can also use that formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 to find the coordinate of midpoint, correct? So this, let's say this is x3 comma y3. So x3 equals to what? x1 plus x2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2 equals to 0 by 2 means 0, and y3 equals to what? y1 plus y2 by 2 means 2 plus 8 by 2. That means 10 by 2. Correct? Means 5. Correct? Correct? So the coordinate of x3 and y3 is what? 0, 5. This equals to what? 0, 5. Correct? So this P, we are able to find P coordinate, Q coordinate and R coordinate. Correct? So P coordinate is where? P equals to x1 comma x2. So x1 comma x2 is here. 1 minus 1 comma 7 by 2, and x2 comma y2 equals to 1 comma 13 by 2, and the last one is 0 comma 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay.